baby.
Hi.
Are you ready to do colors?
Yeah.
What color bowls do you have?
Orange, pink, yellow, blue, purple, and green.
Wow, you think you can put the cereal in the correct bowls?
Yeah.
All right, let's try.
Pink.
Pink.
Purple.
Purple. Which one's the purple bowl? Good job. Stick together. That's okay. It's the same color. What color is that one?
Blue.
Good job. Blue bowl.
He wants much colors with me.
He wants to play. He wants to eat them. Okay, next. Blue. Good job. What color?
Yellow.
Yellow. Blue.
This is the doesn't here. Purple.
Purple. In the purple bowl.
Let's see when I eat them.
What one's next?
I found something.
You found one?
Green.
Green. Good job.
This one.
Color?
Orange.
Orange.
Orange bowl.
In the orange bowl.
Green one.
Green
Where's
one.
green one?
Where's the green bowl? Good.
Purple.
Purple. Good job.
Orange.
Orange.
Purple. Orange.
Orange.
Purple. Blue.
Blue. Blue.
This one eat this. Pink.
Pink. Which one is the pink bowl? Oh, what color is that one?
Purple.
Purple. Good job.
Red out. That's apple. Green.
Green in the green bowl. Yay!
That's another one.
More
Purple.
purple in the purple bowl. Purple. Yay!
She will eat them.
He wants to eat them. Are you ready to learn colors Paw Patrol style?
Yeah!
All right. Who's first?
Rocky.
Rocky is what color?
Green.
Green. Who's next?
Sky.
Sky is
Pink.
pink.
With rabbit blue.
Woo!
Let's make it.
Who's next?
Chase.
Chase is what color?
Blue.
Blue.
I want this.
You dropped it. Who's next?
Pink.
Pink. Where's Sky?
Purple.
Oh, yellow.
Yellow.
Who's next? Yay! What color?
Blue, blue.
Who's blue?
Blue, blue.
Chase.
Pink, pink, pink.
Pink for?
Pink. Go away.
For Sky?
Uh-oh.